it up. Yes, very nice. Very nice, love it. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Car Stomach. Got another video for you. I'm working on my boys 2020 Honda Accord, and we are going to install some hood struts that we bought. I think they are from AliExpress, can't remember, don't quote me. So let's go and start do the install. A lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Take a minute, boop, 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 boop. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new video. Without further ado, let's custom it. All right guys, so everything come in this box right here. This is one of the shock that's already extended. It come packaged like this guy, and we're gonna need this. I'll show you what we use this guy for in a little bit, and some of the other hardware that is needed. So let's start. Okay guys, I forgot to tell you, this also come with some instruction from the manufacturer, from I believe with AliExpress, but they're not as clear as I would love for them to be. So we're gonna try to I mean, they're okay. You have some of the stuff you just have to figure it out and then like do it yourself. So here it is, that's one, and then here's the other one, the finished version, the finished product. I don't know if you see it properly, but we're gonna install it and then we'll show you guys how it looks. As you know guys, this the Honda Accord come with this little hood metal propper, so we're not gonna take it off. We're gonna leave it here for emergency, but we're gonna put the new stuff in. That goes right here and then bolt into this guy. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay guys, so it's not the pointy one, it's not the one in the back, so we're doing this one right here. I zoom in so you guys can do it. This is a 14 millimeters, so I'm just gonna use my hand tool to take it off. Nope, that's tightened. Okay guys, so the way I'm gonna install it, we're gonna use this hole right here. It comes with this bracket, but it doesn't fit, and so we have to make it a little bigger. So I'm gonna use my my drill, just make this a little bigger. So guys, based on the bolt, I think we're gonna use this guy. This is 3/8. So all I'm gonna do is literally screw it here enough to just make this hole a little bigger. So let's do it. So I don't have anything to hold it. I'm gonna try to do it by just holding with my hand, see if that works. Okay, let's check it. All right guys, so I made the hole a little bigger. Let's test it. Okay, it's almost there. I need to make it just a touch bigger. Okay, let's test it. Oh, I'm so freaking close still a little more. All right, so guys, we're gonna do the passenger side first. We're gonna go back to the driver side. I started it already, but I want to test something. So let's take the bolt out, put it to the side for now. Then we got to make this bigger.
Dang it, this one's so stubborn.
Yeah, it's almost there too. Okay, let's test it. Okay, perfect, it's in. Now let's put the bolt in just slightly. Oh, sorry, goes this way, my bad. Swivel it to the other side. Okay, just tighten it a little bit. That's it. We'll tighten it final afterwards. Okay, now we have to fish this properly. So let's fish it through here. See what I mean? If we put it this way, then you tighten it. Okay guys, all right, let me just tighten this a little more. Yeah. All right, so this one is in. I got something I want to show you guys. Yeah, so I have to show you this, guys. So this comes like this, and it's taped together. So once you put it in, you can pull this thing out. But one thing that I forgot to mention, in order for you to properly tighten this part needs to come right outside of here. It should be like this, but this middle piece, it kind of like get attached in the back here. So that's what I'm gonna try to show you guys what I mean. So let me put the tape back in here, and then I'll show you guys what I mean. All right guys, so I just taped this part off. So what I'm gonna try to do is slide this in through the hood, and then you'll see. Let me show you guys. So you gotta put it, not this part, you flip it this way. So this gotta come out this way. Let me see if I can show you exactly what I'm trying to do. So you bend this just a touch, and you bend this as well. So you slide it in here, and it needs to come this way. You see, this part gotta come out. Hold on, I gotta force it to come out. Give me a second. Okay guys, so the key is just trying to get this to come out just enough so I can put the bolt on, or the hardware on. Okay, I think I got it. Hold, now I gotta try to catch this. Okay, I don't know if you guys saw, you see this little part here? It's best if it comes out, because when it comes out, it allows you to tighten this and make sure it stays flush. So remember, this part got to come out. Now just tighten it enough. So now it should go in there flush and super tight. Oh, okay, now we can remove this thing, and there we go. Now all we have to do is connect the strut. So to do that, I remember I had to do the one on the Highlander. You got to pull this out, slide it out this way. Let me show you guys what I mean. So what you got to do, you got to go this way on that side, then slide it here again. Before you put this in, let's tighten this. That looks good? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, once this is tightened, now you can put this. Makes it a lot easier. Okay, so we're gonna put it all the way down for now and see if we need to adjust it later. 112 and 1.5. Okay, that should be enough. Now we're gonna put this in. It should just snap right into place. There you go. And then, okay, now you should be able to snap this right into place as well. It should just snap right in, and that's it. There's no, this is already tightened. It's not going anywhere. So that looks really good. Oh, hold on. Let's tighten this a little more. Now let's do a quick test just to make sure everything closed properly. Okay guys, this is with just one of them. It's holding the hood up. All right, push it down. Oh, hold on, lift it. Go ahead and close it. Okay, I think it looks good. We're gonna try to lift it up again and make sure everything looks good. All right, everything looks good. I don't see no mark here. That looks good with just one. So here it is. Beautiful, right guys? Everything is tightened. Okay, now let's go to the other side. That's normal. That's what it's supposed to do. They did that for shipping. Okay, we're gonna tighten this guy up now so we don't have to go back in here. It makes it easier for us to put the shock absorber on. All right, looks good. Now we can put this in here. Okay, so let's tighten this. We decided to put this all the way up instead of down so the hood could be higher. So now let's tighten this guy. So the back is 1.5 or ½ inch, and then the front is 12. Okay, just tighten off. We don't need to go crazy on it. And then to put the shock absorber on, you just put it in here and then press it slightly. It should snap in. There we go. And then for the top one, the same way, push it up a little. And then it should snap in. Oops. Oh, may have to open this up a little bit because it's too tight. It's too tight. Okay, let's try it up again. It should snap in now. All right guys, it is done. This has been held up by the hood shock. Show you guys a quick look of it. Or shock absorber. All right, moment of truth. Just push it down. Oh, this is and then lift it up. Yes, very nice, very nice. Love it. Okay guys, I think this is another dunner. Yes. All right guys, so I finished install the hood lift on the 2020 Honda Accord and it looks really nice. It worked perfectly. It's really steady as well, so I really like it. So anyway, this project is all done. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and until the next time, peace.